And now the last point of the chapter. The last point of this chapter is probability of any event will be a value in between 0 and 1. Probability of any, whatever be the event, its probability value will be in the range of 0 and 1. In standardized form we can write 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. You are very familiar with the value less than or equal to. Less than or equal to stands for P of E can take the value 0 or greater than 0. Same way P of E can take the value 1 and all the values less than 1. So P of E always, for whatever be the event, always the probability value of the event will be in between 0 and 1. That means always it will be a fraction which is less than 1, otherwise it will be a decimal value. And again, if the value P of E is taking the value 0, this event E is called an impossible event. If probability value is 0, then the event is termed by the name impossible event. And again, if the probability value is 1, event is termed by sure event. So always the probability value will be a value in between 0 and 1. Probability can take the value 0 and also probability can take the value 1. If the probability is taking the value 0, E is called as an impossible event. And if probability is taking the value 1, E is called as a sure event. In the same example of tossing a coin, and if I am taking event E as getting a head, what will be the probability? We already have calculated the probability as 1 by 2, and it is a value which is less than 1. How we can identify a number as less than 1 or not? Check the denominator. If the denominator is greater than the numerator, then the fraction will be a value less than 1. I repeat, if the denominator is greater than the numerator, then the fraction will be a value which is always less than 1. So probability of E is less than 1, which is equal to half. In this case it is half, which is a value less than 1. Again, in another example, suppose I am taking the example of tossing a die, and I am taking event E as getting a number greater than 6. We know the outcomes while tossing a die are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I took the event as getting a number greater than 6. Is there any number which is greater than 6 in these outcomes? No. So what will be the probability value? It is equal to 0. Why? Because it is an impossible event. Clear? Again, if I am taking the event F as getting a number, getting an integer less than or equal to 6. I took F as probability of getting an integer less than or equal to 6. To find the probability, we have the formula number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Here our outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have to get an integer which is less than or equal to 6. Which are the integers less than or equal to 6? All these integers are less than or equal to 6. So the number of favorable outcomes is 6 divided by how many are there in total? That is also 6. 6 by 6 which will give you the value 1. When the probability value is 1, we will call this F as a sure event. So when probability is getting the value 0, E is an impossible event, and when probability of F is taking the value 1, it is a sure event.